It's Sierra, your favorite Indiana realtor. Listen, have you ever found a house and you thought, oh my gosh, this checks almost every box? Great location, good price, nice neighborhood, but then you walk in and realize it needs work. Maybe the flooring is outdated. Maybe the kitchen, it looks like it hasn't been touched in 20 years. Maybe the bathrooms need updating, or the roof may need some attention, or the HVAC system is on its last leg. Most people immediately walk away because they think, I cannot afford this house and the renovations. But that's where renovation financing can become a game changer. Let me explain. There are loan programs available that allow you to finance both the property and the renovations into one loan from the very beginning. So instead of buying a home and then trying to save up thousands of dollars for repairs afterward, the renovation costs can be included in the finance. Many people have heard of the FHA 203K loan. This loan is designed primarily for owner-occupied homes, meaning you're planning to live in the property as your primary residence. This program can be used for things such as new flooring, new plumbing, electrical updates, roof replacements, HVAC systems, kitchen renovations, bathroom updates, structural repairs, and also room additions as well. And because it's backed by FHA, it often offers flexible qualification requirements for buyers who may not have perfect credit. This is where things get interesting. There's also another renovation loan option called HomeStyle Renovation Financing. And unlike FHA 203K, the HomeStyle may be available not only for primary residents, but also for second homes and certain investment properties, depending on the lender and the program guidelines. About that for a second. Imagine finding a property that other buyers overlook because it needs updates. Instead of seeing problems, you see opportunity. You might be able to purchase the property, renovate it, and potentially increase its value while creating the exact space that you want. For homeowners, these renovation loans can also be used through refinancing. So let's say you've lived in your home for several years. Maybe your kitchen is outdated. Maybe your bathrooms need remodeling. Maybe you love to add an extra room or replace the roof or update the electrical system or modernize the entire property. Rather than taking out multiple loans or using high interest credit cards, some homeowners choose renovation financing to combine everything into one loan. Another thing I like about these programs is that they're based on the future value of the property after improvements are completed. So in other words, lenders aren't just looking at what the property is worth today. They're also considering what it may be worth once the renovations are finished. Now, every lender has different guidelines, every borrower has different financial situations, and not every property qualifies. You'll also typically need licensed contractors to perform the work, and the renovation plans usually have to be approved before the project begins. This isn't a free-for-all where you borrow money and you do whatever you want. There are rules in place to protect both the borrower and the lender. If you've ever looked at a home and said, I love everything about it except the condition, renovation financing might be worth exploring, because sometimes the best house is not the one that's already perfect. Sometimes the best house is the one that everyone else is overlooking because they can't see the vision. To learn more about buying, selling, investing, or maybe you want to relocate to Indiana, feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to connect you with lenders who can help determine whether a renovation loan is right for you. I am Sierra.long with Keller Williams, and if you need help with any of these options, send me a message. I'd love to help you.